Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the Ultimate Real Estate Tracker, a powerful, automated spreadsheet designed to help you manage your properties, leases, expenses, documents, and analytics all in one organized place. If you haven't grabbed your copy yet, you'll find the link in the description below so you can download it instantly and follow along step by step. Before we begin, I want to mention that some tabs in this tracker are protected. This is intentional. It keeps all formulas, summaries, and automated calculations running smoothly. If you try to edit a protected cell, you'll see a pop-up message. You can check the box and click OK to make changes, or simply press Cancel to keep everything as it is. These protections ensure the tracker stays accurate and fully automated, so you can focus on managing your real estate portfolio without worrying about breaking formulas. Now let's move over to the Setup tab. This is the first tab you need to begin with, because everything you enter here will automatically flow through the entire tracker. In this tab, you can start by entering your key information. Also, choose your preferred currency from the drop-down menu, and the whole spreadsheet will instantly adjust to match that selection. If you prefer a darker interface, you can switch on dark mode right from here as well. Finally, make sure to fill in all the essential lists you'll need across the tracker. Things like your loan providers, insurance providers, property managers, tenants, and any other data that powers the drop-downs and automated features. Once you complete this tab, everything in the tracker becomes fully customized and ready to use. Now let's move on to the Property Database tab. This is where you enter all your properties along with their key details, and it becomes the core of your entire real estate tracking system. As you start adding your properties, you'll notice that some fields, like the status and the purchase price, are automatically filled in for you based on the information you've entered in the Transactions tab that we will explain in minutes, so you don't have to repeat anything. In this tab, you need to enter your current market values, your funding sources, loan information, rental details, and everything related to each property's financial and operational profile. The more complete this section is, the more accurate your dashboards and summaries will be. At the very top of the tab, you'll see automatically generated charts that give you a quick visual overview of your entire portfolio, making it easy to track performance, distribution, and changes. So, again, this tab is extremely important to fill correctly because it serves as the main database for your entire tracker. Everything else in the spreadsheet pulls information from here. Now, let's move over to the Transaction Log tab. This tab is where you record all your transactions, and it's another critical part of the tracker because all the data entered here feeds into your reports, summaries, and dashboards across the spreadsheet. It's important to fill this tab carefully to ensure everything stays accurate. In this tab, you need to enter the transaction date and select the property it's associated with from a drop-down that's automatically populated from your property database. Then, choose the transaction type and category, and you can add a short description if needed. Based on the category you select, the type of transaction, whether it's income, expense, or investment, will be filled in automatically. Next, enter the amount, choose the payment method, set the due date, and the tracker will automatically calculate the days left. Then update the payment status. Once all this information is entered correctly, it will be applied across all related tabs, making your financial tracking seamless and fully automated. Next, let's take a look at the Transaction Filter tab. This tab is designed to help you quickly find and analyze any transaction in your tracker using the filter fields at the top. As soon as you set your filter and sort criteria, the table below will instantly update to show all transactions that match your selections. You can sort transactions by date or amount in either ascending or descending order. You can also filter by multiple criteria, including date ranges, amounts, property name, transaction type, category, and type. This makes it easy to drill down into specific transactions, review your financial activity, and get a clear picture of your portfolio's performance at any time. Now let's move on to the Property Sale Tracker tab. This tab is fully automated and will display all the details for your sold properties, including property name, type, purchase and sale prices, holding period in months, and ROI percentage on each sale. You don't need to fill in most of this information. The only details you need to enter are the buyer's name, and if applicable, the reason for the sale. At the top of the tab, you'll find automatically calculated summaries and totals, including the total purchase price, total sale price, net gain or loss, and overall ROI percentage for your entire portfolio. You'll also get a clear view of your best performing property based on its ROI, making it easy to analyze which investments have delivered the most value. The Property Portfolio tab is fully automated, so there's no manual work needed from your side. It's designed to give you a complete, comprehensive overview of all your active properties, bringing together all the essential details in one place for easy management and analysis. Here, you'll find key information for each property automatically filled in, including the property name, location, type, current status, purchase date and price, and the current market value. You'll also see funding sources and loan details if applicable, as well as occupancy status and related information. Also, the tracker automatically calculates each property's income and expenses, net cash flow, and ROI, giving you a clear picture of how each property is performing financially. At the top of the tab, you'll find automatically generated summaries that display total purchase and current market values, total loan amounts, total income and expenses, and the overall ROI for your entire portfolio. There's also a set of charts that provide a visual snapshot of your portfolio's performance, making it easy to track growth, returns, and trends. This tab is perfect for quickly assessing the health of your real estate investments, identifying high-performing properties, and spotting areas where adjustments may be needed, all without any extra data entry. Next, let's explore the property gallery, a tab designed to give you a visually engaging overview of your top-performing properties. This tab is fully automated and highlights the top 10 properties in your portfolio based on ROI, presenting them in a clean, easy-to-read card view. Each card contains essential details about the property, including its name, address, type, current market value, net cash flow, and ROI percentage, along with the occupancy status, so you can quickly see which properties are performing best and how they're being utilized. One of the features of this tab is that you can easily add property images directly within Google Sheets using the upload option. This not only makes the gallery more visually appealing, but also helps you create a professional snapshot of your portfolio. With this tab, you can monitor your highest performing assets, compare them quickly, and share a polished visual overview whenever needed. Now let's take a look at the Income Tracker tab, which is designed to give you a clear and organized view of all your property income. This tab is fully automated, so all the data here is pulled directly from your transaction log. It automatically displays each income entry along with the associated property, the amount, the type of income, the payment status, and any other relevant details. This means you don't have to enter anything manually. Everything updates in real time as you log new transactions. At the top of the tab, you'll find automatically calculated summaries that give you a quick snapshot of your total income, as well as charts that provide visual insights into income trends across your portfolio. This makes it easy to track cash flow, identify high-performing properties, and monitor payments efficiently, all in one place. Just like the Income Tracker, the Expense Tracker tab works in the same fully automated way, giving you a complete overview of all your property-related expenses. All data here is pulled directly from your transaction log, showing each expense with the associated property, amount, type of expense, payment status, and other relevant details. There's no need for any manual entry. Everything updates automatically as you log new transactions. At the top of the tab, you'll find summaries and charts similar to the Income Tracker, providing a quick snapshot of total expenses and visual insights into spending patterns across your portfolio. Together with the Income Tracker, this tab allows you to easily monitor cash flow, compare income versus expenses, and keep your real estate finances fully organized and up to date. Now let's dive into the Mortgage and Loan Tracker tab, which is another fully automated tab of the tracker designed to give you complete visibility over all your loans and financing. In this tab, every loan associated with your properties is listed along with all the key details, including the property it's linked to, the lender, loan amount, interest rate, term, monthly payment, and any other relevant financial information. All of this information is automatically pulled from the property database, so there's no need for manual entry, and everything stays perfectly synced with your portfolio. At the top of the tab, you'll find automatically generated summaries and charts, giving you an overview of total loan amounts, monthly payments, and monthly extra payments. The charts make it easy to track your financing across multiple properties and spot areas where adjustments might be needed. With this tab, you can efficiently monitor all your mortgages and loans in one place, ensuring that your real estate finances are fully organized, transparent, and easy to manage. Next, let's explore the Loan Payment Schedule tab, which is designed to give you a complete, long-term view of your mortgage and loan payments. In this tab, all you need to do is select the property ID from the drop-down, which is automatically populated with data from the Mortgage and Loan Tracker tab. Once selected, all the loan details for that property will be filled in automatically, including the lender, loan amount, interest rate, and term. Below, you'll see a detailed payment schedule table that spans up to 50 years. This table generates every payment, calculates all required amounts, and keeps track of the outstanding balance for each installment. It's fully automated, so you don't need to enter anything manually. All calculations are handled by the tracker. At the top of the tab, you'll find key loan details that are auto-filled. These serve as the base for all the timeline calculations in the table, ensuring accuracy across the entire schedule. With this tab, you can easily monitor your loan repayment over time, plan ahead, and stay fully on top of your financing obligations. Now let's take a look at the Tenant and Lease Management tab, which is fully automated and makes managing all your leases simple and efficient. This tab pulls all lease details directly from the property database, so once your properties are set up, you don't need to enter anything manually. You'll see information such as tenant names, lease start and end dates, lease duration, rent amounts, security deposit amounts, and any other relevant lease details automatically populated for each property. At the top of the tab, there are total summaries and charts that give you an instant overview of your portfolio's lease activity, including total active leases, total security deposit amount, and overall rental income. These visuals make it easy to monitor occupancy, track tenant payments, and stay on top of all lease-related matters in one centralized place. Now let's move on to the Task Tracker tab. In this tab, you can list every task and project, including renovations, maintenance, inspections, and any other property management activities. You'll be able to set the priority, assign a category, indicate who the task is assigned to, and track the completion status. The tracker automatically calculates the days left for each task, so you always know what's coming up and what's overdue. At the top of the tab, you'll find key totals and charts that give you a quick overview of your workload, completed versus in-progress tasks, and the status of all ongoing projects. This makes it easy to prioritize, monitor progress, and ensure that everything is moving smoothly across your portfolio. Next, let's take a look at the Document Tracker tab, which is designed to keep all your important property documents organized and easily accessible. In this tab, you can store and track documents such as contracts, lease agreements, invoices, insurance papers, and any other files related to your properties. You can add details like document type, associated property, issue and expiry dates, and status. At the top of the tab, you'll find summaries that give you a quick overview of upcoming expirations, total documents, and any documents that need immediate attention. This tab ensures that all your essential paperwork is in one place, helping you stay organized, avoid missing deadlines, and manage your portfolio more efficiently. Now let's explore the Contacts List tab, which is your central hub for all property-related contacts. In this tab, you can store information for tenants, property managers, contractors, service providers, lenders, and any other key contacts you work with. For each contact, you can add details such as name, company, role, phone number, email, and any notes you want to keep. This tab keeps all your important contacts organized in one place, making it easy to quickly find the right person when you need them. With this centralized list, you can streamline communication, maintain professional relationships, and ensure that managing your real estate portfolio stays smooth and efficient. Finally, let's go back to the automated dashboard, which is the central hub of your real estate tracker. This dashboard pulls data from all the other tabs we've covered, from the property database and transaction log to the income and expense trackers, mortgage and loan data, tenant and lease management, and more. It gives you a complete, real-time overview of your entire portfolio. Here you'll find key summaries, totals and charts for total property value, overall income and expenses, net cash flow, loans, ROI, occupancy, and performance of individual properties. Everything updates automatically as you add or modify data in the other tabs, so you always have the most accurate picture of your portfolio's performance. The dashboard is designed to help you quickly identify trends, spot opportunities, and make informed decisions, all without having to dig through individual tabs. It's the ultimate control center for managing your real estate investments efficiently and effectively. At the top of the dashboard, you'll also find convenient quick action links that make navigation even easier. With just one click, you can jump straight to adding a new property, logging a new transaction, adding a document, or creating a new task. You'll also see direct links to essential tabs across the tracker, helping you move around quickly and manage everything with ease. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the Ultimate Real Estate Portfolio Tracker spreadsheet. If you have any questions, need extra guidance, or want tips on using the spreadsheet more effectively, don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.